What is going on, everybody? Today we have a new knife from Bestech, and it is the Sledgehammer or D2 Satin Stonewash. That's the number BG31B-1. Got this from White Mountain Knives the other day, so let's take a look and see what we have. Okay. So we have green micarta, smooth but not silky or satiny, like super slippery. Yeah, pocket clip looks okay. Yeah, not too bad looking. Nice, a little bit smaller than I prefer. Oops. A little bit of a wrong angle there. There we go. Yeah, so, yeah, the action's good once you get used to actually holding it. But there you go. There's your Tanto tip. It's an interesting, very, very interesting tip that they got on there. Pretty aggressive. Got a nice edge to it. Some interesting thumb studs for sure. It's a liner lock. Got a nice thick liner on there. Not too bad. And it's D2 steel. Says D2 over here. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Medium size hand, it's not too bad. I prefer a little bit bigger. Let's see here. I think it's like 7 inches. Yep, just a tad over 7 inches. So in the blade, yeah, overall blade length looks like it's about 3 inches and about 2 3/4 of actual blade. So not a super big knife. Feels good in the hand though. It's got some decent thickness to it. Yeah, about a 1/2 inch thick. So it's thicker than some knives this size. They can get pretty thin overall, and this feels pretty good in the hand. It's got a nice sharp edge, nice satin blade. Kind of see the grind lines of the blade, so it's pretty nice overall. Yeah, closes good. It is on. I do believe it is on bearings, so it'll spidey flick. Yeah, takes a little getting used to. But yeah, feels pretty good overall for a small knife. This was $52, so I mean, this is definitely a knife that kind of falls in that Civivi range of affordability and decent quality materials, such as the micarta. D2 steel is not bad for $50. So yeah, on bearings. Action's good. Yeah, I think it'll break in really good, actually. So middle finger flicks very nicely. I'm so used to. It's a little weird on the thumb stud aspect, but I prefer spidey flicking anyway. So, and it definitely works good for that. Yeah. So there you go, guys. That is the Sledgehammer, and I do believe this is a brand new knife. Just came out, so it's $52 right now at White Mountain Knives. I think they're the only ones I've noticed that actually have it. So maybe head on over there and check it out, or keep an eye open for your favorite retailers, because I'm assuming that it will be coming out everywhere very soon. So that's it for today, guys. Have a great day. We'll see you next time.